Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome to my channel. All right, everybody, in today's video, we are doing a Hobby Lobby kind of a haul. This is a lot of DIY type stuff. This is items that I purchased because I am going to be doing DIY projects with them. And there's a lot of really cool stuff. I was really excited about some of the stuff. And what I thought would be fun to do is to share kind of the ideas that I had. That way, if you happen to be shopping and you find some similar projects or products like this, and maybe you've even got some of these things already at home, you can be inspired to create some DIYs with them. You know, let's share the love. Let's share the ideas. I thought that there was some really fun and cool stuff here. And I'm going to start off with my favorite thing in the world, socks. If you guys know me, you know I love some socks. And navy and green, hello, perfect favorite colors with some red on the tips and on the toes. And there's socks, all their Christmas stuff, but this time was 40% off. So that was another incentive for buying that pairs of socks. And before I go too much further into all of this, I want to, of course, say thank you to all of my subscribers. You guys know who you are. Thank you for being here. And if you're part of the OG crowd, that just means the original gang from when I first started the channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. I truly, truly appreciate it. I try and get back to all of your comments. And believe me, if I'm even just giving you a thumbs up or a like or, you know, via the heart, that I am reading your comment and I so appreciate it. All right, let's get into this because, again, I'm going to be showing you, it's not a big haul, but I'm going to be showing you some fun DIYs or recommending some fun DIYs that I'm going to be doing. The first one was this rolling pin. How cute is this? It's just a rolling pin. It's not even an ornament. It says Merry Christmas on it, but there's no like way to hang anything from it, but I have a DIY idea that I thought could be super, super cute for the kitchen. First of all, if you had a Cricut or stickers or rub-on transfers, you could write anything you want on this. You could paint it. You could do some fun things. I also thought that this could be really fun, especially in a kitchen, if you wanted to create like a garland. And you wanted to, or like that tassel garland that you see like in tiered trays and stuff, how cute would that be to attach a piece of rope to the end of it, put some beading in it? That could be really, really fun for a kitchen. So that's kind of what I think I'm gonna be doing with it. The other thing I grabbed were these random wooden shapes. They had these round circles. They had these kind of, what are they? These like kind of tubey things. They had the square blocks, and then they had, let's see if you can see them, these little triangular shapes. And I immediately thought about Christmas trees when I saw the little triangle shape. And I was like, I've got to get something because I'd like to make these into little tiny Christmas trees. And where is it? I was looking around and I was trying to find like a little tiny star or something to put on top of that. And I did find these earrings that have these little bows on them. And so I thought if I took one of these pyramid trees and put the little bow on top of it, that could be a sweet little Christmas tree. And again, they'd be cute in a little snow globe, in a fillable ornament. You could paint them green and then put something like that on top of them. I think that could be really, really fun and a great DIY idea. As a matter of fact, that might be part of one of the some of the projects that I'm going to be doing today after this video. I found some wood letters. I like this Woodpile brand. I don't know if this is a Hobby Lobby exclusive brand or if they sell this at other stores, but my Michael's store, unfortunately, is not a great one. So I kind of shop here sometimes. Not a whole lot, but I do like the letters there. I like the thickness of those letters. They say that they're wood. They feel like they're like that unfinished wood, kind of like the backs of some of the Dollar Tree signs. But I have an idea with these and some Jenga blocks that I'm going to be doing for you guys. And that actually might be done today too. They had some really cute galvanized metal letters. I'm trying to find the letters. We're missing one. Where's the other one? There it is. And It's a 2-pack, so you get 2 letters. There's the J. I think it looks like that. Yeah, there's the J and the O and the Y. So you can imagine what I'm going to be spelling. Yodge. No, me doing joy. And again, super, super cute, fun idea with that. I was thinking that taking a piece of wood and creating something maybe at the front of the house or something, that could be really cute with that. I have this kind of contemporary kind of an idea for a Christmas sign. And then I also bought the same versions of those letters, but I bought them in, where's my, oh no, oh, there it is, okay. I was like, oh no. Same exact type of lettering, but in wood. And the wood ones are probably what I'm gonna end up using that particular idea for, but the J is backwards again. But there's the joy. And it's so funny because I almost picked up the O, and it says on here, this I thought was hilarious. So this one says, vintage sign letter O. Well, the one for the 0 looked exactly like this. I measured them, laid them out, exact ones, and it said on the thing, it said vintage sign letter or number 0, and I was like, y'all cheating us. But anyway, I thought that was kind of cool. And I grabbed that. The other thing I grabbed, and this is for a fun, like a fun garland idea, I think, or probably for Christmas trees, but how cute are these little silver galvanized metal snowflakes? And they were $3.99. It's a 4-pack, and they were 40% off. So I did grab 2 of them because I have this idea that I want to do for like a kind of like a farmhousey garland, I think is what I'm thinking. And then speaking of garland, they had this. Look how big these are. I want to do something on my coffee table, actually, and these are the perfect size for that. And they're oversized. It was they were $14.99, which was a little pricey, but then they were the 40% off, so it wasn't so bad. But it's 6 feet of garland, and again, I'm going to be using these. I'm almost positive, not all 6 feet though, but I am going to be using these on my coffee table, and I don't think it's going to be necessarily Christmas, but check this out. If you wanted to make this into a farmhouse garland, you could easily incorporate stuff like that to it, and that would be really, really cute. And I'm kind of doing something similar, I guess. I bought some of this silver cording, and it's because I have an idea that I'm not going to spoil right now because I'm really excited about this one. But I'm going to be using some of these wood circles. This was kind of a cool pack too. This is, it has teardrops, it has ovals, and it has circles, and it's 30 pieces, and they're all different shapes and sizes in there. So that is just a good thing, I think, to have in your craft stash, because you can do a lot of things. Like you could even make little nameplates with those oval ones. There's fun things that you can do. And again, if you don't have a cutting machine, you can do it with stickers. The Hobby Lobby section and the Michaels section and even Crafter Square Dollar Tree has a ton of stickers right now with lettering and all kinds of stuff, making it super, super easy if you don't have a cutting machine of some kind. I thought this was a beautiful ornament, and this ornament is going to be used specifically for a DIY, just kind of a decorative, like knick-knacky kind of a thing. This one I thought was beautiful, and I loved it because everything moves, but then this one, see how this one is kind of like 3D, or not 3D, but it's not flat. I'm just gonna call it 3D. But again, really, really beautiful and pretty. I love the way it swayed back and forth. And I do have kind of a knick-knacky idea for this as well. And it's gonna go with its buddy, this one here that we talked about before. I've bought these before. I've lost them multiple times. So I'm embarrassed, but I did have to buy these again. And those are for a DIY that's coming up in this video. This next, well, it'll come up in this, in a Christmas video, we'll say. Command hooks. Love command hooks. Did these in my last Dollar Tree haul. These are specific ones. They're small ones. I have a DIY idea that I'm hoping works out. I tried to do it once already and it failed. So this will be the second attempt at doing these. So Fingers crossed. The other thing I grabbed was this little fence. I have an idea for a village of sorts, a Dollar Tree village of sorts. So this fencing is going to come in handy for that. Dollar Tree sells these typically, but I have not seen any yet. But they are these wired kind of wreath. What do they call them? They're like stems, but people use them as like wreath ties. But they're so good for so many other things. Look at that. You could take them, you could circle them together and put some wood beads or something on there, and you've got the cutest little wreath ornament that you could do. There's all kinds of great things that you can do with those ties. So hopefully, now that I've bought them at Hobby Lobby, I'll end up seeing them at Dollar Tree, I'm sure. And then this little farmhouse or this little house with the wreath on the top, I thought was super, super cute. It is an ornament, but I'm going to use it as I think in a little village or something that I'm trying to do. So that, again, super, super cute. I love the nightlife. I like the boogie. So I bought these disco balls. Oh yeah. Can't sing, but I think you know what song I'm talking about. Dollar Tree typically sells these types of ornaments as well. I haven't seen them this year. These are a little larger than what I wanted, but I'm gonna make it work. And I also bought some different spray paints. What I love about Hobby Lobby, what they do is that they tape all of their spray paints shut so people don't spray their things down. I hate when I go into a store and people like spray the, the fixture and stuff. It's just tacky. But the foiled metallic silver one I purchased, and then the foil metallic red, obviously for the holidays. I have some ideas for that. And that is it for this haul. This was a short one. So, well, I didn't show you this because I was just going to eat these, but this candy is crack. Don't buy it. If you buy it, send it to me. All right. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what your favorite items were. And I've got some more Christmas DIYs coming up very, very soon. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye. I'm going to eat my candy now.